how to hide apps on iPhone in iOS 26. So if you don't know, iOS 26 was just recently released, and it's important to know certain things that may or may not have changed. So here to hide apps, it's basically the same. So what you want to do to hide an app on your iPhone is go and find the app that you want to hide, and you just want to click and hold, and you want to choose the option where it says require Face ID. So you have two options: require Face ID just to open the app, or you can hide it and then it'll require you to use Face ID to open the app from there and unhide it also. So we're going to choose hide and require Face ID. It's going to show the Face ID. This is going to tell you what it's going to do to it. So you will not get any notifications. So we're just going to choose hide app. And now it's hidden. And to go find that hidden app, what you want to do is scroll all the way over until you get to your app library. And you want to scroll all the way down to this hidden section. So this hidden section, you can go ahead and click on it, and it's going to ask for my Face ID. And that is where the hidden app is. And from here, you can click and hold and just go ahead and hit don't require Face ID. And that will unhide the app, and you'll be able to find it and use it.